Welcome to this session on item groups in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. In this video, we'll explore how item groups connect every stage of the business, from purchase, inventory, and production, all the way to sales, ensuring smooth financial integration in D365. What are item groups? Item groups in D365 are used to categorize items that share the same financial posting setup. Instead of assigning ledger accounts to each individual item, we link the item to an item group. This ensures that similar products follow the same accounting rules, making financial reporting consistent and easy to maintain. To view or configure an item group, go to Modules, Cost Management, Inventory Accounting Policies Setup, Item Groups. Business Process. Each item group links the entire business cycle. 1. Purchase order, capturing raw material costs. 2. Inventory, tracking stock valuation. 3. Production, recording work in process and manufactured cost. 4. Sales order, recognizing revenue and cost of goods sold. D365 automatically posts to the right ledger accounts at each stage, based on how your item group is configured. To summarize, item groups control all major financial postings for inventory items. They streamline postings for purchase, inventory, production, and sales. A well-configured item group ensures accurate financial reporting and reduces manual configuration effort. Thanks for watching this complete guide on item groups in D365 Finance and Operations.